What's going on, guys? It's BZ Rider here. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to you all coming by. Thank you for checking out the channel. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe. I post motorcycle videos, car videos, just all types of things dealing with automotive. I got a lot to say, so I'm gonna try to squeeze this in real quick. I know it's been a while since my last video, but I am now a first-time dad.
Hi, baby.
Having a lot of time on my hands lately has been kind of minimal. I had another video recorded prior to this one, but since it was so long of me editing it and posting it, I decided I'll just go ahead and make a new video starting here. Backtracking a little bit, prior to that one, as you guys saw, I was having issues with the CBR far as it idling rough. Then I found out I had some electrical issues. I fixed those electrical issues. Bike is running smoothly, perfectly. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is installing some new lighting on the bike. I ordered some LED strips to put on the headlights, and I'm also doing flush mount turn signals to get rid of those, in my opinion, those stock ugly turn signals that stick out really far. Let's get into it. I'll move the bike around and we'll get started. Alright, so here are the LED strips that I got. I ordered them off of Amazon. I think they were probably about like 25 bucks. They have some good reviews on them, so we'll see how they are. Side markers, I ordered them from TST Industries. Shout out to them because I've ordered a lot from them and they've always gave me like good customer service. And yeah, I think their products are pretty good. So shout out TST Industries. So in the box you got, you got your side markers, flush mount. I got the smoked ones. There's two. Also, I got the quick connect harness adapters for them, so that way I can just plug and play. Comes with some mounting hardware. And of course, sticker swag. Get you them scene points. Yeah, we'll get ready to start throwing these things on. I'll probably start with the side markers first, and then we'll go from there. Let me put the camera on the tripod. Hopefully I'll be able to place these side markers without having to take off a whole bunch of my plastics, because I really don't feel like doing it. So I gotta remove the screws from underneath the headlight, which is just a Phillips head, and we'll start moving off some of the side paneling. The number 5 Allen key. And just like that. That was easy. Okay, so looking at the fender, looks like there is a nut here that just holds it on. I'm gonna say 10 millimeter. The wire through. Factory side marker. Okay, so now we'll get the correct side marker. Okay. Open up your hardware kit, your little wash, your plastic wash, and your retention nut. Get this wire through. And if you can tell from the factory one, there was a factory pigtail harness that would just plug in. And then these on the TST flush mounts don't have it, but they do sell a aftermarket little wiring all-in-one kit, which makes it a lot easier. Looks like it's just color for color. We'll take yellow to yellow, black to black. Of course, I always like to make sure that things work before I get this all the way on here. All right. Easily snaps back in. So let's go ahead and move over to the other side of the bike. Process for this side is going to be the same thing. Remove the 10mm nut, feed the wire through, and push it out. There we are with the turn signals installed. I decided to go with the smoke ones just because since that housing that they sit in is already like a dark color, I figured it would flow pretty well with the bike. So there it is with it off. So much better compared to the factory ones. Way cleaner. The flush mount turn signals are installed. I know I said I was going to install those angel eyes or the LED strips as well. I'm going to wait on that. It looks like I'm going to need a few more parts, just some wire splicing kits because they're kind of thick and I don't know if I have enough space to fit them around the headlights of the CBR. So who knows, maybe they'll go on the car instead. As far as installation goes or ease of installation, I said this was like a 10 out of 10. It was super easy to install, wasn't difficult at all. Everything that I ordered fit flushly, fit nicely. I didn't have to do any type of modifications whatsoever. Everything just fit, cured in place. They work. I think that they look good. It's going to give my bike that slimmer, more sleek factor that I've been looking for, and I've been meaning to replace these since I've had the bike and did my the rear tail delete. So once again, shout out to TST Industries. They came through again with another flawless product in my opinion. All my aftermarket stuff that's on the bike I've ordered from TST Industries. So I will leave a link in the description down below for the side markers. This is not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or fashion. I wish it was, but it's not. This is just my review on it, and like I said, I like them. I think their products are unique. Thanks again, guys. If you like this video, please drop a like. If you got any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. You guys know what to do. Subscribe also if you're not. Thanks again. See you on the next one.